There's quite a new statue, Dunbar, just next to the harbour here. There's a volunteer arms just across the road. I'll go down this way today. So here I am, Wednesday, the 11th of December 2019, heading off to Cockburnspath from Dunbar. There's a castle, or the remains yet, Dunbar Castle. Sometimes see Sammy the seal. Oh, there's a cormorant there. Oh, and it's away under for his fish. Sometimes see the seal, Sammy the seal, lives in the harbour. That's Sammy the gull. No, just made that up. Dunbar Harbour, Dunbar Castle. RNLI do a great job. I like the wee, I think that's the Christmas decorations. Very good. Santa stop here. Not a braw sight. Another broad day. It's cold, mind. Cold wind. But I'm all wrapped up. Well, I've not got my warm hat on at the moment, but my gloves on. That's keeping the wind off my baldy heat, so I started out late, 9:37 when I left the house. I was intending to leave at sunrise, which is about 8:30, so over an hour behind schedule. They stopped serving lunches at Cockburnspath at 2 o'clock, so I don't think I'll make it. I've got a couple of tortillas in my bag, peanut butter, so we'll see. And they are only, each tortilla with peanut butter is only 15,000 calories. It's not bad, that, eh? Anyway, back to the scenery. Oh, that was a flat bit. It is a flat bit. I'm going to put my other hat on. Unplug the microphone down before you walk away from the car. No! There you go, isn't that a handy tip? That's the road I would come down towards the golf course to join this part of the path. And you can see that John Muir link. And then the distant bluebells, there we go. It's just a wee, it's not a style, I don't know what you call that. There's the clubhouse. This is Dunbar Golf Club, safety warning. Yeah, fair enough. Walkers, please read this notice. You are now entering a part of the golf course where you may walk into the path of a golf ball. The Land Reform Scotland Act 2003 requires that you stand aside and give golfers priority. I always feel a bit of an intruder walking along the golf course, although we're perfectly entitled to do so. Some of the golfers are the friendliest people in the world. Let's just leave it at that. I could jump that? No. There we go, a wee burn. Not the Brock's burn, that's the next one up. No entry, aye, oh. There's the Brock's burn. Very good. There we go. See Dunbar Parish Church, the Bass Rock, the old Harbour, the battery, Dunbar Battery. I need to make a wee video of that. Walking is very satisfying because at the end of your walk you reach your destination. You feel fulfilled, you feel very satisfied. Not smug, not smugly satisfied, just a quiet satisfaction. You've done something, you've achieved something. There's another big keyhole pond, inlet, not a pond. Like the one at Kilkenzie, the keyhole. I don't know what that is, an old barn or something. That's where we've come from. Morning.
How you doing, you alright?
Not bad. That low December sun, winter sun. I've got my Keffieh, I think that's how you pronounce it. Sure. Don't know. Yeah, that's better. My Keffieh or Shamag scarf. I mean, it's cotton, so if it gets wet, it's dry. But it's very warm. Sometimes a bit too warm actually. It's not a cloud in the sky. It's gorgeous. It was Monday. It was beautiful. And I walked to East London. And then yesterday it was horrendous. The microphone's just blown off. It's like, I don't know if you can see that. That was attached to my jacket. I'll need to put that back on. Oh dear. Amateur hour. I don't know how long my mic had been like that. I'm probably wittering away and there's can't hear a sound, which is a good thing, some people might say. I'm starting to get hungry. I meant to have a banana before I left the house, and because I was running late, I forgot. I wasn't prepared. I thought I was prepared, but although I spent longer on the computer than I should have this morning, I was setting up my breakfast with Donald page on Facebook. I hate Facebook, and it's over a year. 2 years since I've been on Facebook because I hate it, but I thought to try and reach a wider audience. There's Barnes Nest there, there's White Sands, it's that wee bit of beach, a lovely bit of beach. Actually I might walk along that. Find a suitable entry point. No, I don't think so. Look at the kelp piled up. There's like a wall of kelp. I'm not wading through that. We'll find another access point. Oh my goodness. It's not actually the easiest going underfoot. It's sort of a rocks buried in the grass in the path. It's very bumpy, and you have to watch it didn't fall over on your ankle. Don't know what that building is. My hat's been blown off. There we go. That's the car park for White Sands. This is the beach. So I'll go on to the White Sands. I should have brought my bikini. Oh, the kelp. Look at that, man. Right along the beach. There mustn't be any kelp left in the sea. Oh man, this is glorious. It's beautiful. I think I'll go for a swim. I reckon I'd last 2 minutes. Maybe not that. That's the North Sea. That away is Denmark. That's the next landfall east. I can't really see an exit. Beach. Of course, that low sun as well. A little bit there. Look at that kelp mountain. It's massive. Good fertiliser. Oh my goodness. I can actually see better without my sunglasses. No, when I was driving though, that was fantastic. There we go. There's a car park. There's a toilet and that along there. Oh, very welcoming bench. I'm going to stop and have something to eat. My stomach thinks my throat's cut. Rock.